Hey guys, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We are going on vacation. As always, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going just yet. You're just gonna have to follow my Instagram for any live updates. If you guys have watched any of my other packing videos, you will know that I am a overpacker. I usually do plan out my outfits, so I try not to bring as much. For this trip, I didn't plan my outfits ahead of time. I just threw together bits and pieces of what I would like to wear. Hopefully, we can put together some cute outfits. I've broken everything up into 3 categories, starting off with tops. First top I'm bringing is this baby doll one. It has florals all over it and it's super easy to wear. This could be dressed up and down. And then of course I have to bring this mesh top. It is floral, it is pink, it has ruffles, it's so cute. It's also mesh, so it's super breathable. And then as I told you, I'm slowly slipping into a printed era, so I thought I'll bring this mesh top as well. I really like this top because I feel like it could be layered, so it's more versatile. Then for more basic items, I'm bringing this white bodysuit. It's in this like slinky type of material, so it's super nice and cooling on the skin. I love that it has a square neckline. This is a staple. I'm also bringing this black baby doll top. Now that I have fixed the top, I've been wearing this a lot more religiously, and I feel like the color black goes with a lot of outfits. I feel like this top could elevate any basic outfit. Another basic item, you guys know I love my baby white tees. I'm going to bring this one from Uniqlo. It is slightly different than the one I'm currently wearing. This is a regular fit, so the sleeves are a little longer and the length itself is also a little longer. And then of course I need to bring a cropped version, so this one is exactly the same one as I'm wearing. I love this for the crop. It's not super short. It stops a little below the belly button, so it's really comfortable to wear. Last but not least, I'm bringing this olive colored one. Green is my color and I feel like this would be a really cute casual outfit top. Now because the weather is a little funky, I am going to bring some more layering pieces. First one being this thin long sleeve top in a gray color. It is a mock neck, so it would be perfect for those like chillier days. I love how thin it is. It's not too hot, and if I like something, I'll get it in a different color, and that's exactly what I did. I have the same exact top in black. This one is definitely a staple. You can never go wrong with black. Now when it gets really chilly and we need to bring out the big boys, I packed a thermal long sleeve. This one is from Uniqlo's kids section. I like the kids more because the sleeves are slightly shorter, so they don't really poke through any sweaters or cardigans. So I have one thermal layer. Now moving into bottoms, I'm bringing these trouser shorts. I got them from Daisy from Shein and they are the most comfortable thing ever. They look sophisticated but casual at the same time, and they're super comfortable and breathable. I'm also bringing this white mini skirt that I thrifted recently. I didn't really get a chance to wear it yet, so hopefully I'll get to wear it on this trip. And then of course you can never go wrong with a pair of light denim wash, so I'm bringing this pair of skirts. It is a skirt in the front and shorts in the back. Now on days I want to dress a little bit more girly, I have 2 skirt options. The first one being this black satin one from Nasty Gal. This is a midi length, so it stops a little past my knees. I love the quality of their satin. It is quite heavy and a little on the thicker side. The second skirt is this knitted one. It is also a midi length and I love this cream color. I feel like it's just so fall vibes. Also really versatile. Moving along into the pants section, I'm only bringing one pair of jeans and it is this pair from Walmart, surprisingly. It is in the perfect mid-wash blue color. This pair is more straight slash wide leg. I've been looking for a pair like this for so long now. I feel like this is the one pair of jeans that I'm missing from my wardrobe. This pair is quite long though. It covers my entire shoe. The second pair I'm bringing is this cream color pair of chinos from Old Navy. It fits similarly to the jeans. It's also straight slash wide leg. I've also been trying to find a pair of like white slash cream pair of pants for so long and I'm really happy with these, but these ones are crops. They're not as long as the jeans. To switch things up, I'm also bringing something that's a little bit more on the dressier side but still versatile enough to wear as a casual piece. It is this pair of trousers from Daisy from Shein. I love this pair so much. These are wide leg trousers that go all the way down to the floor and I feel like it just looks so put together. I honestly wear this pair throughout the year and I feel like it's such a no-brainer to not bring it. Last but not least, I'm also bringing this pair of flared pants. It is knitted, so it's super comfortable. This is definitely more on the thicker side, so on days where it is quite cold, this is an option. Final category, outerwear. Starting off light, you know I have to bring my favorite cardigan. It is in a navy blue and is such an easy color to wear. It is also not too cropped. It stops a little below the belly button. This is also another item that I wear throughout the year, so it's a no-brainer to not bring it. Now, this next item isn't exactly an outerwear, but I feel like it will hold me on a cooler day. It is this off-shoulder sweater top from H&M, and as you can tell, it is quite thick. I feel like this would be so cute if I paired it with shorts or even a skirt. Wait, the idea is kind of screaming seasonally confused, but so am I. Now, this next item is something that I've been dying to wear since January, so I need to bring this. It is this wool looking jacket, and it is reversible, so you get two jackets in one. I'm also bringing this wool blend cardigan from Primark. It is quite thick and I just love the shade of brown. I feel like it's gonna go well with a lot of outfits. Last item is another wool item. This one is a 100% wool cardigan. I love it for the gold button detailing. It just looks so nice and so sophisticated. This is definitely more for like a layering piece. So that's it for today's packing vlog. If you want to know where I'm going, don't forget to subscribe because I will be posting vlogs. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one.